Bringing up our and let's get rolling. Good morning, everyone. Andy here, coming in to do a sniper recap session. It is Monday morning, October 22nd, and the sniper really kicked some tail this morning. We're pretty used to that, but nonetheless, it's fun to see it, fun to participate with it, and fun to make money with it, which I got some private messages from a handful of sniper owners today, and congratulations to you guys for taking advantage of a great day. So what we're going to do is recap crude oil, and we're going to take a look at the Sniper Pulse Extreme. I've done a couple of webinars over the last few weeks, and during those webinars I highlighted trading the Sniper Pulse Extreme in a certain way, which basically was we're going to take every signal in which the action line is at least sloping in the direction of the trade signal by a little bit. So all of these signals have the action line, which is this gold line that turns gray and black, sloping in their favor a little bit. This trade here is an example of the action line is sloping down the whole time. It never slopes up. So that's not a signal that we would take, but all the rest of these are. So let's go ahead and just run through these real quick, and let me blow up the chart just a little bit here. And we'll start at 8 a.m. Eastern time today. So if you recall, I'm going to move that away just so you can see the slight downslope in the action line. Here's what causes these sniper black line cross signals to appear. We need to have the black line move from the colored area over the white gap to the gray area to the second gray line or lower and have a down closed bar. This is a re-entry signal, as you can see, and we actually just re-qualified by the black line touching the first colored line. Then it dropped and we got another signal. Bam, huge, nice winner. If you held runners from that signal, you would have had about 110 ticks worth of profit available on your runners. The next trade was very similar. Again, a re-entry into a strong trend. You can see the black line gets to the white area. We don't get a long signal. It did get to the second colored line, but it was a down close, so we did not spit out a long signal, but that's enough to reset things, and then we're headed lower again and get a short signal when the black line gets to the second gray line or lower with a down close. That happens here. Bam, we're short, and there's about 8 ticks of profit available there. Not too bad. The first buy trade, pretty counter trend, but we do have a slight upward sloping. The low is down here on the action line, and it is sloping upward ever so slightly here on this signal. So we are long on that signal. Nice profit available. And you see the black line down here in the gray crosses over the white gap up to the second colored line with an up close, blue bar, boom, long winner. Love this signal in the direction of the short-term trend. After a slight move higher, black line crosses back over the white gap to the second gray line or lower, down close, red bar, boom, short signal, winner. For those of you watching this video from afar, checking out the sniper, please be completely aware these are auto-generated signals. Okay, these arrows are not things I personally put on the screen or anything. These are auto-generated by the Pulse Extreme signal calling indicator. Now, we get a long here, but that's not a trade we're going to take. Why? Because the action line is sloping down the whole time. So we ignore that signal and we get ready to get short when the short signal fires. Winner. How many are we up to? Let's check this out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 wins in a row. Not bad for a dumb robot here, right? Our black line, or excuse me, our action line is sloping down, so we're good to go when this signal fires. What I want you guys to notice is how visual this is in nature, okay? Incredibly visual in nature. We have the black line up here in the colored area. When it crosses over the white gap, we know we're going to get a short. Boom, it happens there. Winner. Same thing here on the re-entry. We touch the first colored line, so we have a re-entry, short, winner. This is a great buy trade. I spent some extra time analyzing this situation because we had a gorgeous symmetrical three lower lows exhaustion pattern. Very symmetrical three-wave, minor three-wave lower lows, a big-time exhaustion, making the next buy signal extra good. You can see the black line trading down here for a long time, crosses over the gap to the second colored line or higher. Blue bar up close, signal fires, we're long, easy big winner. I'm going to push through the rest of this pretty quickly here, as I just want to get these videos to be a little bit more succinct. And so let's just drive through, and you'll look at the last 40 minutes worth of trading here. A short here, winner. You know, I mentioned live not being a big fan of these trades, but it's because we had such a consolidation going on. But if one was following the rules as we described them, we got our action line sloping down, winner, 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 okay? The first two of these trades I personally would not have executed just because of this consolidation. The last one I would have executed for a nice winner. And then we got three more trades before we get to the live price action here, and we're just about to spit out another sell. Okay, you can see I would not have executed this buy on the signal itself. I would have waited for the next bar. Why? Because I want that action line to slope up at least a little bit. So I would have been long there, and there would have been 8 or 9 ticks of profit available. Would have been short right at that signal, winner, long right at that signal, winner, and short. We just saw this short winner happen live and in real time on our video. So let's add these up, guys. What do you think? Not a bad day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 winners, no losses from 8 a.m. to 11, 12 a.m. Eastern time for the Sniper Pulse Extreme. You guys saw 75% of those trades occur live while you were hanging out with me here in the live room. Most of them, not all of them, most of them we called out in advance. We analyzed them in advance. I don't know about you, but a pretty cool day. Now, is every day this good, guys? Of course not. 100% winners, 17 trades. That's pretty doggone good. But, guys, the reality is the Sniper has this level of accuracy to where we don't have too many devastating days. And we have a lot of days where we're, you know, having 15 to 25 trades with only 3, 4, 5 losses mixed in there on days that aren't that great. So just an awesome day, especially considering it was a Monday. So listen, hey, have a great rest of your trading day. Don't be shy. Ask questions. I want to make sure that as owners, you guys never go more than a day without getting your questions answered. If you're checking things out as a guest, be equally as bold. My main man Rod is available. Eric's available. I'm available. It's, you know, no excuse to make sure every question you have is not getting answered, okay? We want to make sure they all are. So take care, everyone. I'll see you back here tomorrow. We'll do quite a bit of live trading tomorrow and through the rest of the week. Thanks, everyone.